How to delete your Venmo account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you delete your Venmo account. So let's get started. First, as you have to open your Venmo app or you can as usual open it on browser. Simply open Venmo account. After you open Venmo and logged in with your account, you'll get this kind of interface. From there, you'll have to tap on profile under the section settings. After you tap on that, from there again tap on settings. From settings section, you have to look for the option to close my account or begin the process for closing my account. After you find it, tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll be able to find this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to just tap on the option begin closing my account. After you tap on that and confirm with your password, you'll be able to close your Venmo account online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.